Hey everybody, how are you doing? Fahad here. I worked in tech industry and AI industry, storage industry for the last 15 years, and Amazon, Broadcom, Western Digital, Johnson Johnson. And I come here with a very important topic here, and the major topic is that if we want our network interface card or Ethernet chip, SmartNICs, if we want to sustain a business with it, we better actually see what NVIDIA is doing and have a solution ready. And this message is for leadership teams, VCs, business leaders, because it can directly affect the business infrastructure and everything, right? NVIDIA, with the monopolizing effect of NVLink and GPU computing, with the DOSA, CUDA libraries and everything, it's becoming a whole giant stack, right? It will be very hard for companies or startups or VCs to even who are not very much invested in NVIDIA or who wants to do something else, to basically come up with some other product ideas or startups to do something. While it is a big threat, the most dangerous thing is NIC going onto the GPU architecture or basically infrastructure on the chip itself, right? If we have a larger chip, so it's like a product not exactly cannibalizing products, but it's still like eating up product margins or profit margins from others. But there is an opportunity here, and the biggest opportunity over here is the shadow it leaves. And by shadow it means we have RISC-V, we have open source NIC, or we can expand it. We have storage services, block storage, which again is something that AI inference and training would need with the weights and the models that they have. And we have a lot of other open source software, but we have to act fast over here. If this is something that you appreciate or like, VCs, business leaders, technical leaders, I work with leaders and I can work with you to put a strategy or product architecture, solution architecture, down from the chip to the cloud, on premises or AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and give you something that can be a highly profitable product. So if this resonates with you, please reach out, comment, like, subscribe. But more than that, what do you think about NVIDIA stack?